All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Saturday phrasal verbs. So move back. Move back. Yeah. Go back to a previous place. I had to move it back. We moved back to England. He moved back one step. Yeah. Do you think they know how to move back? It has been a long time. How can we move back now? How can we move back to England now? We're planning to move back to the base. Yeah. She moved backwards. She moved back in the forest. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. We moved back to England last month. Yeah. I am in the middle of moving back there now. Yeah. We might move back together. Do you think she might move back into the relationship? Maybe. Who knows? Yeah. She thinks we should move back together. Yeah, she thinks we should move back together. It depends on things. Yeah. It depends on things, but they might move back to Mexico soon. Maybe. Not so sure. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorer? So move back. Now, can you use move back in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.